Hello everyone, this is part number 3 in tutorial 2. If you finish the last two parts, you will know how you can start making 3D models. Now, the best way to start is by planning the features, how you're going to create the features. The easiest way for this part is to start from this left view. So I will create an L shape with dimensions 60 height, 20 width, length is 100, and this small segment is given by 20. Then I will extrude. So making that extrude, I will have the L shape, and I can cut out this circle from the right plane, and I will cut the two small circles from the top view, and finally I can cut this small rectangle from the right view. So in total I will have 4 features. So let's start doing this part in SolidWorks. If I select new part, sketch, so I will select this left view and then I will create the L shape. So vertical, horizontal, vertical, horizontal, going down and going left. So I remember the dimensions, it was 100 and the height was 60. So this is 20 and this is 20. Good, so everything is fully defined. Now I'm done with the first sketch, then I can extrude this part. So the extrude, I have to decide the width, the thickness. Is it 62? So I have to go back and check. I have 30 and 30, so total 60. That is 60. And done. So that is the first feature. Now we said that we can cut the circle, so I have to come to this plane, not that plane, the right plane, location of the circle, and then I'll select new sketch. I can create the circle directly in the center point of this line, or I can go to the right view to be normal to the circle for better view. Now, diameter of the circle is given to be, I have radius 24. So dimension of the circle is 48 diameter. And you can see that it's fully defined because I defined the center to be in the middle of that line. So the line was defined, because of that the center point is also defined. If I finish the sketch and then I cut this circle, I don't care about the distance of the cut, so it will be just ready. Now if I go to the top view, new sketch, and I want to look from this orientation, I can create the two small circles, 1 and 2. But since they are blue, I have to define their locations. It says the horizontal distance between the two circles is 40, and from this edge it has a 10, and from that edge it's also 10. So far I know that the distance, horizontal distance between the two circles, not the inclined distance, the horizontal distance is 40. And I know that the distance between line 1 and this edge is 10, and between this circle and that edge is also 10. Now what about the diameters of the circle? It is two of them, they have diameter of 10. So I have to define the diameter for the first circle to be 10, and for the second circle to be 10. If you can check, you can see that the two circles is not defined yet because horizontally they're not determined. So I have to check. It says 20 from this edge. So when I put the dimension between circle and edge, it should be 20. Now they are fully defined, and that's it. If I extrude cut the two circles, cut for circle 1, more contours, circle 2, and done. Okay, you can see that the hole is there. And finally, I can go to this plane, create new sketch, and make the rectangle from the bottom corner, but I have to define its dimensions. It says if the total length is 60, that means the small rectangle is 40, height is 10. So this is 20, and that is 10. And finally, I can cut out this rectangle through all. Done. And that's it, we're done. Thank you for watching the video.